Hello, everyone. Here we are ready to begin week 7. By the end of week 7, you will be able to decipher factors that make some materials more difficult to read than others and how to adapt content to appropriate levels for students. Also, you will have formulated a definition for dyslexia and learned about instructional strategies for dyslexia. Assignments this week. You are to find at least 2 resources about dyslexia and research the disorder, and to watch the video here. What is dyslexia? Here is the sign-up sheet way back when you chose the dyslexia reading strategy for your assignment. Here is information about writing measurable learning objectives. And I'm not sure why this is here twice. I can't get rid of it. But you only have to watch it once. Here are the directions for your assignment. You're going to pick a topic in a content area, find a content standard that is appropriately connected to the topic. Design an activity where you will choose a content reading strategy, and ideas can be found in the Janet Allen flip books or the Dyslexia Handbook, which is a PDF that you can use with students that have dyslexia. Choose a strategy and explain why you are using it. Connect your explanation to resources from our course or from independent research that you found on your own. Finally, you create a self-assessment for the students with dyslexia. This self-assessment may be a checklist or a reflection instrument. You will need to include your self-assessment instrument with this assignment. And remember, the self-assessment is for the students to use. This assignment is due on Moodle and Anthology Portfolio, which we used to call Chalk and Wire. There is a template available on Moodle, and the rubrics are also on Moodle. Here is the rubric for Moodle. And it's the same for the Anthology Portfolio, except the point values are different. Your objective to receive the maximum points must be strong, measurable, and follow the condition behavior criteria format. The behavior is based on the selected academic standard, and the standard and topic are appropriate to the objective. The strategy quality, it must be supported by 2 or more quality resources that demonstrate a clear connection to research literature on supporting students with dyslexia in content area reading. The rationale for the strategy directly aligns with the objective and selected topic. It must demonstrate strong knowledge of content-specific concepts and clearly state 3 to 4 reasons why the selected strategy best supports desired learning outcomes for all students. The strategy self-assessment for the students must be developmentally appropriate to the target age group. It must use clear language, be user-friendly, contain appropriate font choice and layout, and include all steps of the strategy in that self-assessment for the student. And finally, the self-assessment must align with the selected strategy and could be used by the learner to gauge progress toward the stated objective. Here is an example of a lesson. Here is my topic, which are rocks and minerals. It is for grade 3. The reading standard is RI 3.4, which is to determine the meaning of general academic and domain-specific words and phrases in a text relevant to a grade 3 topic or subject area. The content standard is science, earth resources, and Earth's non-living resources have specific properties, rocks and minerals. My measurable learning objective is students will be able to make entries into their science notebook to illustrate and define the academic language terms necessary to understand the lesson, including rock, mineral, geologist, inorganic, shape, streak, magnifying glass, luster and texture, and inorganic with 90% accuracy. Here is my measurable part. It's 90% accuracy. I'm saying what the students will be able to do. It must follow the condition, behavior, criteria, format. Next is the explanation for the chosen strategy. And please be sure that you read this fine print so that you make sure that you have included all of the required information for this area of the plan. And then you're creating that student self-assessment for whatever strategy you have chosen. Again, please be sure to read the fine print on the left side of this lesson plan. Here is the template that you will use. Again, make sure that you have your topic, grade level, content standard, measurable objective, your strategy with explanation, and the self-assessment for the student. Here is a video which is in your assignment. What is dyslexia? Forum rubric. Assignments. In your own words, you need to define dyslexia and explain how you can support students with dyslexia in your classroom. You're not going to respond to classmates this week. Here is where you're going to submit your assignment. You're also going to upload it to Chalk and Wire Anthology Portfolio. When you submit to Anthology Portfolio, please be sure that your artifact reflection and your dyslexia assignment both are showing. If you check for this, it's going to save us both a lot of time. If you have any questions about week 7, the sooner you ask, the better. I look forward to reading your plans. Thank you.